This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to learn economics from scratch. We will begin by establishing a strong foundation. First, you will want to understand fundamental concepts like scarcity, which means limited resources, and choice, which involves making decisions about those resources. Next, differentiate between microeconomics, focusing on individual decisions, and macroeconomics, which looks at the economy as a whole. Finally, get acquainted with foundational economic models, such as the production possibilities frontier, to visualize trade-offs and efficiency. This initial step is crucial for building your economic literacy. Now, let's dive into microeconomics, which examines individual economic agents. You will explore the powerful forces of supply and demand, understanding how they determine prices and quantities in various markets. Next, analyze how consumers make purchasing decisions to maximize satisfaction and how firms decide what and how much to produce to maximize profits. Finally, investigate different market structures, from the many sellers in perfect competition to the single seller in a monopoly, each with unique implications for efficiency and pricing power. This provides a detailed view of market operations. Moving on, we will explore macroeconomics, focusing on the broader economy. Here, you will examine key indicators like national income, often measured by gross domestic product, inflation, which is the general increase in prices, and unemployment rates. Next, learn about the two primary policy tools: fiscal policy, involving government spending and taxation, and monetary policy, managed by central banks to control money supply. Finally, investigate the complexities of international trade and the factors driving long-term economic growth. This offers a comprehensive view of national and global economies. To solidify your understanding, it is essential to apply economic principles. Start by regularly reading economic news and analyzing current events through an economic lens. This helps connect theory to reality. Next, consider exploring more advanced topics such as econometrics, which uses statistical methods, or behavioral economics, which integrates psychology. Finally, continue your learning journey by engaging with online courses, textbooks, and academic resources. Consistent practice and exploration will deepen your economic insights and keep your knowledge current and robust.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.